Hey, boys and girls, here's your recording for Friday, April the 24th. And this is your day in a glance. It's got it kind of summarized what you're going to do. There's also some links in here that your parents can help you get to, but I also have the links on another page. So for math today, I want you to ask your family members the following question. What is your favorite sport? Soccer, football, or tennis? Then you're going to use their answer to make a picture graph in your math journal. And I'm going to explain what a picture graph is in just a minute. Then ask your family members the following question. Which fruit is your favorite? Banana, apple, or orange? Then you're going to make a picture graph in your journal to show the results and complete the data task for day 18 on the next slide or two, and I'll show it to you. Then in your math workbook, you're going to complete the solve and share on lesson 6-3. You're going to complete problems 1 through 11 in your volume 1 workbook on page 262 to 264. And then I want you to log into Dreambox and continue working for 15 minutes. So you're going to answer some questions about the graph that you're going to make. What did you notice about how your family voted for their favorite sport? And write 3 sentences to describe what you noticed in your journal. And here's our favorite football playing Cam Newton. This is a solve and share you're going to do. And it says 12 students were asked which vegetable do you like most at lunch, corn or peas? The list shows their answers. Complete the tally chart and picture graph to show the data. What do these data tell you about what students like? So here we have this person voted for corn, so your tally mark will go right here. This one voted for peas, tally mark here, and you keep going until you've done all these. Then you're going to come down here. And let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 children who liked corn the best. So you're going to draw a little picture of a corn. Draw a picture of corn here all the way over until you get to 7. And that's what's called a picture graph because you're putting a picture in it. Then for math, you're going to be answering some questions based on this graph here, the picture graph here. You're going to answer it here. It's going to talk about more students, fewer students. And so think about what that means. If it means more students, it's a bigger number. If it means fewer students, it's a smaller number. You're going to do the same thing here. You're going to answer some questions about which color they like the best. You're going to complete this pictograph. And here too, you're going to do the ones with the dogs and cats. Then for literacy, I want you to watch the module video for day 18, which this is the link that'll take you to it. I want you to listen to the story Tom and the Egg on the next slide. And then think about how Tom helped a bird in the story and how you help birds. Record in your journal. Now, we've talked a lot about birds over the last few months. So think about how you could help a bird. I know right now I'm looking out my back window and I see the bird feeder that my husband puts out. So he helps birds like that. You think about a way you can help them. And then write about how Tom has a bird helper. Draw pictures showing how you can be a bird helper. So right here is the story. There's also a link that'll take you to it. And then down here is your activity. How was Tom a bird helper in this story? And draw a picture of it. Make sure you use evidence from the story. If it just says, if Tom says he put food out for the birds and helped them, but you just say he fed the birds, I want you to tell me exactly how he did it. Here's our word work. Sorry about that, guys. It covered it up. For today, I want you to watch the video. It's going to give you lots of information about what to do today. And here's our cycle 19 words again. Remember, these are words that have bossy R's in them. So you're going to make a hop and high frequency word games. So create word cards with one single word, one sight word on each card. Tape the cards on the floor and that allows enough room to hop around like a frog or jump from word to word. Read each sight word, then hop to the next card. Your sight words are right here. So if you don't have little index cards, you can take a little piece of paper out of your journal, cut it into pieces. You can take a paper bag and cut it into pieces. Anything you've got, you can cut into pieces. I want you to write the words on there, and then I want you to put it on around your room, around the living room, or someplace where it's easy to do it. And then I want you to hop from one to the other. And I want you to read the words when you hop. And then science today is animals, water, and air. Animals need food, water, air, shelter, and sunlight to survive. I want you to create a Venn diagram comparing animal and plant needs. What do they need that is the same? What do plants need that may be different from what animals need? So when I think about plants, I know that they need sunlight to grow. where an animal doesn't need sunlight to grow. Now, remember what a Venn diagrams, we've talked about those before, and the Venn diagram is where you're down here, you can see it. It's got animal needs, plants needs, and there's a place in the middle. So over here, you're going to write animal needs. Over here, you're going to write plant needs. And here where the two lines cross, you're going to write things that both animals and plants need and record them there. Then there's a video here I want you to watch called Animals Need Water Video and Animals Need Air Video. Here's your specials link for today. I want you to make sure that you're doing these. I want you to make sure that you're um, doing your art, doing your music, and doing your PE time and doing your science time. I want to make sure you're moving around, that you're getting lots of exercise, that you're drinking lots of water, that you're getting outside in the sunshine. I love you very much, and I will see everyone Monday at 10 for a math lesson of what's coming up next week. So get this work done, and you have a great day, and I love you, and I'll see you soon.